Hey guys, and welcome to the video. Today we're going to be organizing my monthly makeup mess that I created in February of 2022. I have unboxed so much this month, and my makeup desk right now is as if a very organized slash unorganized tornado came and threw everything that I own onto my desk, except for these are new products. That's what it looks like. It's a mess. So I know you guys really enjoyed last month's video of my cleaning and organizing my January monthly mess, so I decided to do it again this month. So I hope that you enjoy. If you see any products that you want me to try out for you guys in a video, or anything that you just want to point out about products that you see, let me know down in the comments. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here is the mess, you guys. It's embarrassing. Usually my monthly desk isn't as trashed, but I had a lot of PR and unboxings this month that I did, or well, this past month in February, and it just kind of accumulated really quickly. So now we need to throw the trash away and get all the products out, put them over on the other desk, which is also trashed right now, and then put them up because it's already March 4th and I haven't done my everyday makeup drawer because there's just no room, and I have a bunch of products over here that I need to do a review on. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start grabbing trash and products and putting them, you know, and separate them basically. So since I have so much product this month, I'm going to, I guess, just toss the trash on the floor for now and put the makeup in here because there's a lot, and this would just be easier to put it in. So I'm just going to start putting things in here. I'm never going to get rid of these products here, so I'm just going to throw the, well, you know, maybe I should keep the boxes for these because they look nice. So we're just going to throw those in there. Okay, so here I have a couple products that I took off my Poshmark and decided that I was just going to keep. So I need to organize these and put them back in my drawer. But I'm just going to take the basket over here and get all the products out and organize them into sections where they're supposed to go in the drawers. And I'm going to do that. Okay, so now that I have everything laid out, I'm going to start organizing them into my drawers. I'm going to keep out these products because I am going to be doing a video on these probably this weekend because I'm doing a bunch of new lips and stuff. But I guess I'm going to go ahead and start with probably the lips since it's the top drawer. So let me go ahead and get you over there. Okay, so for the blush, bronzer, and highlighter drawer, I kind of feel like I need to completely reorganize this. So I think I might do a little bit of a series because there's just kind of a lot going on and I'm not really happy with what's going on. And I also need to do kind of a declutter because there's so much in here. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I need to like figure some things out because this is kind of insane. Yeah. This might be a little bit easier if you weren't in the way, Miss Eleanor. Actually, I think you're fine. I just need to get in this drawer. So, okay, here is a lash drawer. So, lashes. I'm so excited to try out lunar lashes. Of course, my Noella lashes, which are like the best. Use code Connor for 20% off your purchase. Then my single shadows and such. I think that might be it for this drawer. Yeah. Wow. Okay, that was easy. This drawer, I also need to do a serious declutter. This is an insane drawer that needs some serious help. And now for the skincare, I'm just gonna move this stuff out of the way. Because I do put a lot of my samples in my Glossy Box advent calendar. It just is good for storage. Whoops. Sorry about the lighting, but I'm just gonna put some of this bigger stuff in here so it's just easier. So I'm just going to put the things that I'm going to be reviewing in this box. I have a new Dior concealer and foundation to review, Makeup Forever foundation to review, LYS to review, and then I'm doing a video for Clinique. Plus I have tons and tons of other things coming in the mail for review too. So, yeah. Is this a mini or a full size? I put my mini down there, so I don't know if she got me the full size. Anyways, so that is it for this organizational video. I was working on a chicken coop, so I got paint on me. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do you like these types of videos and all of that jazz? Just let a girl know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!